How to cancel order on Shop app. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can immediately cancel an order that you purchase from the Shop app. So first things first is there are specific rules and regulations that you need to follow for you to be able to execute this kind of feature smoothly. So first is canceling an order through the Shop app is only possible if the item has not been packed or shipped yet and the specific store allows it. It's very, very easy to cancel it. So the home screen of the application, you should see three options right here, such as the home tab, the search, and then the last option right here is the tool that you can track your order or follow the process of your purchase. Again, you can only cancel your order on Shop app if the item has not been packed or shipped yet and the specific store will still allow it. So you have to act fast, and then um, you have to fully understand the store policy as well. But however, if the button is already missing, the cancellation button is already missing, then the store has locked the order and you must wait for delivery to request a return. And that's it. That's how you cancel an order on Shop app.